A lot of people think you have to go buy new weights. You do not. You can get bushings from aftermarket companies like Rec Supply. I even think Polaris sells them as well. And then you just change the bushing in your weight. So here's what to look for on your weights when you take them apart. So here's a weight from a Polaris clutch that has worn bushings. You can see here on the one side of the weight that it's worn. What happens is this moves on your pin and then bottoms out on the spider on your snowmobile. If you look inside the spider on your primary clutch, you'll notice that it has marks there. That's from this. These being out of wax, what happens is when this is in here, this wobbles back and forth. You can see the movement there. See how that wobbles around on there? That's not good. And plus, you can see the wear marks on the pin. So sometimes there's a step in here. This pin isn't badly worn. I threw all of my other ones away, thinking I would never do videos, but so for this one, you can kind of see where it's wore there. That really grooves in to your pin eventually. So what do? Throw these out and buy new ones? No, you can actually change them with the set of aftermarket or even Polaris ones. So these are the bushings you can buy. So you can see that. That's the bushing. It's a nylon kind of material. They're not super easy to put in. You can actually break them, so you got to be careful. But we're going to just do a quick replace here and show you how to do it. We're going to use this wonderful vise that my brother's got in his shop. I'm not sure if it's going to work very good, but we'll try it. So if you guys can see the punch. So we're just going to tap this one out. If you guys got a good vise. Some good punches there, just like that. See, they pop out real easy. I mean, you destroy the one that's in there. I mean, the old one's wrecked anyways, but when you pound it out, it gets a little deformed. But that's okay. Now you guys can see the hole there. See? This kind of flops around there. So we're going to take a new bushing. Just going to give it a little tap. You don't want to force it too much. And then what I do is I just take the old bolt, stick it in there. Let's give it little taps. You don't have to put any lube on it or nothing. There, my pin comes out. You got a new bushing in the clutch. Now you just saved yourself more than that, probably almost 200 bucks. So now you guys can see that bushing is brand new. You put your pin in there and we have no wobble. Nice and tight. Ooh, I like tight. Tight is good. There you go, there you have it. So there you go, guys. We got a used weight that was almost ready for the garbage. Some guys throw them out. We just refurbished this one, put new bushings in it. It's good to go. It's almost brand new. As long as the tops are good and they're not all pitted up, you still got a good weight there. So there you go. Save yourself a couple $100. Simple, easy stuff. Put your comments below. Let me know how you make out. Don't forget to subscribe either. See ya.